This is John from Lititz Precision Products. I'm here to discuss our nylon non-scratch cleaning baskets. These baskets are made to be compatible with existing machines. If you go to our website, www.lititzpp.com, go to the documentation tab, there'll be two files there to download under the basket label. That's Lititz is spelled Lititz. First one is basket ordering information, which has lots of good information that we'll go over here in this video. The second one is dimensional information for each of the basket sizes and styles. Okay, you can see, tells you what size plates will fit in the various baskets. So we offer baskets in two ODs. We have a 64 millimeter, which is 2.5 inches roughly, and which is the traditional L&R of the Varimatic, the Tempo basket, and 80 millimeters, which fits the ACS machine, for instance. So we have a numbering system for our baskets. It's composed of three sections. The first is the diameter. So, for instance, this basket is a 64, followed by a dash, and then we look at the height. Since it's three baskets to the stack, it's a 3. So it's a 64-3, and then the configuration. So we call this a W. There's the WR, W rounded. We call this an HL because this is a larger opening. Let's see, there's an HM, so that's a bit smaller. And this is an HS, this is smaller yet, and an O. Okay, so this would be an 80-4 because it's 4 baskets to the stack by, this is an XX for instance. There's a V, there's an O, and there's an X. Okay, so diameter, height, configuration. We have two styles of lids. This is an F lid, a flush lid, and this is a stepped lid. So what's the difference? Our baskets have a step in them. So this little step fits down in the basket below and closes off these dividers. So the dividers are lower, so parts can't jump from one side to the other. Okay, but when you get to the top basket, you kind of have a choice. If you put an O basket in the top and you want a little bit more height for thicker parts, you can use this F lid. So that gives you a few more millimeters of height inside the basket. If you use an F lid on a basket with dividers, there'll be a space in there and parts can jump from one side to the other. On that document that you're going to download, you'll see a listing of all the sizes and styles that we make. This is 64, also for 80. We do custom baskets if you want them. There's a setup charge and prototyping charge for that. Thank you very much for taking a look at our products. Just give us a call or send us an email if you have any questions. Thank you.